So in this video we are gonna see the internal utilities of Linux. So there were three main utilities, namely kernel, shell, and the preceding utilities what they provide. So these were the major things which make up the Linux. So when talking about the kernel, so it's like a core of the Linux system. It performs all the major operations. So when we start the computer, so the suddenly the boot program starts to run. So after the boot program, all those processes that's being undertaken will be carried on by the kernel files, and uh, it is used for major processes, and it controls nearly all the processes in the operating system. So it's used for main process such as device management and process scheduling. So when a process is going to occur, so it supplies the essential resources to the process, and it's also managed the time management and all those stuffs. And moving into the next thing, it's also schedule the work for the CPU, and it allows individual work for each and every application that run on the system. And it also provide for permissions for files to access it. And the next thing is shell. So shell is the basic thing for in a Linux operating system. So there's different shells for different operations. So when we get the computer, we usually get a default shell installed in it, and we can use multiple ways to like upgrade and customize it to according to our needs. So the major shells were Bourne shell, C shell, Corn shell, TC shell, and Bourne again shell. So these were the major cells. So each cell has its own programming language, and it's like a command prompt. So we can just enter the command and we can get our things done. And after that, the utilities provided in the Linux platform. So there were a lot of utilities programs in Linux. So the major thing is used for editing, file maintenance, printing, sorting, programming support, and online info. So we can interfere with each and every program in Linux, so which we can do in Windows. So these were the major advantages of Linux. So and these are the internal utilities of Linux. Thank you.